ICC Champions Trophy 2025, match number 2, India vs Bangladesh. Details and both teams playing 11. Starting date 20 February 2025. Time at 2:30 PM Indian Standard Time. Venue Dubai International Cricket Stadium, Dubai. Bangladesh team best playing 11. Number 1 Soumya Sarkar. Number 2 Tanzil Tamim. Number 3 Najmul Hossain Shanto. Number 4 Tawhid Hridoy. Number 5 Mushfiqur Rahim. Number 6 Mehdi Hasan Miraj. Number 7 Mahmudullah Riyad. Number 8 Rishad Hossain. Number 9 Taskin Ahmed. Number 10 Nahid Rana. Number 11 Mustafizur Rahman. Team India best playing 11. Number 1 Rohit Sharma. Number 2 Shubman Gill. Number 3 Virat Kohli. Number 4 KL Rahul. Number 5 Shreyas Iyer. Number 6 Hardik Pandya. Number 7 Ravindra Jadeja. Number 8 Akshar Patel. Number 9 Kuldeep Yadav. Number 10 Mohammad Shami. Number 11 Arshdeep Singh. So viewers, which team will win the match? You can let us know by commenting, and if you think it's an informative video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.